Welcome once again to iTech. Today's video is going to be on how you can sell your crypto. Okay, yes, you get it in cash and you are going to get it into your mobile money wallet if you are in Ghana. Okay, so I'm going to take you through the steps that you need to follow in order to just sell your crypto and you get it in cash. Okay, so without wasting much of a time, this is my Binance account. I'm right now I'm inside my Binance account, and as you can see, I have some coin inside here. I have 16 USDT, and as you can see, that is the conversion of it in BTC. Okay, so I'm going to sell my USDT. I'm going to sell my USDT. So first of all, I have to go to my funding. So as you can see, I don't have any money here, but in case your crypto or your coin is in your spot wallet, sorry, if in case your coin is inside your spot wallet, you have to transfer it to your funding before you can sell. Okay, so you just click on transfer, and then you hit on spot wallet to funding wallet. Okay, so it depends on the crypto that you want to sell. If you want to sell USDT, you choose USDT. If you want to sell any of the crypto, you select it and then you hit it. Then you choose the amount that you want to transfer. Then if you want to transfer all, you just hit on maximum. So as at now, I don't have any coin inside my spot. I have it in my funding, so I'm going to sell it straight away. So as you can see, let me take you to my funding. So as you can see, my funding wallet, I have 16.0016 USDT, and I'm going to use P2P, this method, to get my money into my momo wallet. So without wasting much of a time, you click on P2P, and then it will take you to the next step. So as you can see, we have buy and sell. So buy means you are going to buy the crypto. It means that you are going to get cryptocurrency. Okay, and then sell means you are going to sell your crypto for cash. Okay, so as you can see, today I'm going to sell, so I'll hit on sell, and then this is what is you have to understand here. So these are the people selling this crypto, and they have some limits that they are selling. As you can see, this guy is selling at a price of, that is 1 USD, at a price of 15.52. okay, yes, you get that 15 cedis, 52 pesos for 1 USDT, and then the limit is selling 29,000. okay, so I can't go to this one, so I'm only set to check their limit too. Okay, so as you can see, this guy is also selling from 80 to 1,000 250. And also, after you have checked the limit, then you have to look at the network that they are selling. This one is using MTN mobile money and Airtel money, so it also depends on the network that you want to receive your money or your cash from. Okay, so for instance, I will be using Vodafone Cash, so I have to go through these sellers and look for the one who is using Vodafone Cash and who is selling with the minimum amount that I can also sell mine. So I have to go on and search for it. So as I'm going on, I'll pause for the video. So as you can see, I have reached this seller. Okay, so this seller is also selling his crypto for the amount of 11.42 per 1 USDT, and then the limit is he sell from 80 cedis to 1,000 cedis. So I can use this one, and as you can see, he is a verified seller, and also he is using Vodafone Cash, so I can sell to this guy. So I'll just come here and hit on sell. When it opens like that, so you see price is for 11.42, and then the limit is from 7 USDT to 87 point. Okay, so fiat means that you want to convert to our local currency, and then the crypto, that is the coin that you are buying. So I want to sell all my crypto USDT, which is 16 USDT. So I'll hit on all, then I'll come here to select payment method. So payment method, I'll select phone cash. Okay, so this is my Vodafone cash number. So you have to fill this one, your name, full name, and then your Vodafone cash number. Okay, now after you have finished with this information, you hit on confirm, then you wait for it, and then it says that mobile verification code. So a code has been, I have to confirm that this is number is my own. So I have to click on send code for them to send me the code. So this is the code. Okay, this is the verification code. So after typing the verification code, you hit on submit, and then you wait for it. So Vodafone cash, this number, supported payment method, Vodafone cash. Okay, then select the payment method. So this is the payment method that I've selected, and then you come here and hit on sell with zero fee. Okay, so that you have to see the terms of this seller too. Okay, so terms, it says that payment limit is 15 minutes. Okay, buyer nickname, this is the buyer's nickname, and then he is using Vodafone cash. Okay, so just sell to this seller. We hit on sell with zero fee. So as you can see, it is automatically processing the payment. So waiting for buyer's payment. So exact receive payment is 15 minutes. So we have to wait for the 15 minutes for the buyer to pay me. I have 15 minutes to confirm. Okay, so we are waiting for the buyer to confirm it. So as you can, please wait for the buyer to transfer the fund. After receiving the fund, please click on confirm received. Okay, you can chat the buyer. So thank you for trading with Asam. Provide name and details for fast payment. Call me on 020 in case of delay. So this is the buyers. Okay, so I can give my information to him so that everything will be fast. You can see the amount has been released to me, so I have to confirm with this is 850414. So 850414. So you hit on submit and you hit on yes. So set up verification method. So as you can see, I have yes, successfully, as you can see, 180.72 successfully sold, $16. Okay, done. This is the transaction. So order completed, and as you can see, fiat 182 cedis price. Okay, and crypto amount. So as you can see, so this is how you can buy, you can sell your crypto. This is the easiest way that you can sell your crypto.